Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. Here's something I sold. This is a Saquon Barkley rookie card. It's a Panini Select, my favorite, and it's called Snapshots. So it's an insert. It's not the base card, so it's a little bit more rare. It's a cool card, and it's not numbered or anything. I had it in an auction. Sometimes I like to throw up an auction just to kind of drive some traffic to, because I have a lot of other cards that are even better of his that are like this. So I hope they looked at my description, check out my other auctions, and buy it nows. And this one went for $17.95. I got one bid, but it's the least I want to get it for. And I've had it for $19.95 and didn't sell, so that's fine by me. And also, I sold another one the same way with a Patrick Mahomes for, put it here, $17.95, and it sold a 7-day auction. Had one bid. And I have another one go for $33.95. It's the brand new select from this year. Should be here. I don't know what side it is yet. And it went for $33.95. I had as a buy it now and went in a couple days. And it was an insert in the new one, which was kind of surprised it went that high so quick. I have another one for $39.95 that's a prism, just like it. So we'll see if that goes. And I bought 3 new Chiefs brakes, so I'll have those coming in soon, and I'll be pumping those out as fast as possible. But grind on, friend.
Bye. Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.